In accordance with his name Little Crazy. This EA is very expensive. $30,000. I will share this EA for free. Hi traders. Free expert advisor for $30,000. Expert advisor Forex Little Crazy MT4. Is this expensive EA can make millions of dollars? Can we get a stable profit every month by using a Little Crazy? Maybe you need to try it. Check the link in the description to get it. If you are a new viewer, I suggest you subscribe to this channel and get a free expert advisor every time I upload a video. And also make sure to click the bell button so you don't miss the next information update. In this video I will discuss several topics about Little Crazy MT4 Forex expert advisors. Okay, let's get to the topic of discussion and let's see if this EA can make millions of dollars. 1. How it works EA Little Crazy. Here it is not explained in detail how this Forex EA works. The explanation is that this EA uses an automated trading system that does not require any special skills from you. You just have to run this EA and rest. The recommended recommendations for using EA Little Crazy are also small. Just $200 only. 2. Recommended suggestions. Works on the M15 time frame and on 3 pairs only. Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar, New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar, and Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. I need to know here. This one is very dangerous. There is a drawdown risk of up to 90% which is described here. But from the backtest results, this EA can generate profits of 200% to 400% in 1 year. Later I will show the backtest results and live trading results using a Little Crazy. EA settings only need to add EA to the 3 recommended chart pairs. I will show you the way. Watch this video and don't skip it to get complete information. The parameter input is very simple. Because I think you just have to use this EA without worrying about the right preset. The resulting backtest results get millions of dollars from just $200 capital. The backtest will be carried out from 2015 to 2021. For details, you can see here. You can retrieve profit factor information, maximum drawdown, consecutive wins, consecutive losses, and detailed information that can make additional references for you before using EA on a real account. Three. Live trading results. Let's see the results of live trading using this Little Crazy expert advisor for $30,000. From a capital deposit of $200, generated profit of $1,457.55, or about 729% of the total profit generated. The resulting maximum drawdown is also quite high at 51.9%. This has been explained in the initial video that EA Little Crazy is very aggressive. Algo trading 98%. Trading profit 79.9%. Loss trades 20.1%. And trading activity 34.8%. Trading activity explains how often the EA opens positions. You can see here that the Little Crazy Forex expert advisor has been running from 2021 until now in November 2022 and is still running. The total profit generated in 2021 is 187.94%. And in 2022 it will be 187.83%. With a total profit of 728.78%. You can see the drawdown that has occurred from 2021 until now. See this chart. Never experienced a drawdown of 50.92%. Last trading history on November 15th. Or about 3 days ago. From this trading history, it can be seen that there is a commission for each transaction. Meaning that the broker uses a low spread type. In the description I have also provided a broker registration link with low spreads. If you are interested you can register via the link that I have provided in the description. Next I will check the statistics. From 2021 to date. A total of 363 transactions opened. 290 profitable transactions and 73 loss transactions. Profit factor 5.07. Good profit factor. Maximum win consecutive 30 transactions. And the maximum consecutive loss is only 3 transactions. You can see other information here. As explained at the beginning of the video, this EA runs on 3 pairs. New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to Canadian dollar and Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar. From a capital of $200 you can already run this Forex expert advisor. Detailed drawdown information like this. Total drawdown of $229.09 or about 51.93%. You can also see slippage information from several brokers. 4. How to install EA Little Crazy using the DLL file. I will show you how to install EA Little Crazy using a file etc. until the EA can be run on the MetaTrader chart. You can pay attention here. Run this EA on the 3 recommended pairs. Put the file mshmg32.dll in your main folder. Install MT4. Like this. After that you can install the Little Crazy Expert Advisor to the chart. Check the settings like this. Make sure in the Journal tab there is a successful market successfully. Then make sure auto trading is running. And in the tool settings like this.